cause many problems for people. As they are driving, people should not take out their phone. Even though it is hard not to text, people should not do this while on the road. Texting and driving can be hard not to do, but it can cause problems while driving. When in a moving car, losing control of the wheel is a possible accident. In addition, you could kill yourself and others. If you got caught by the police, you could get a ticket. For one thing, texting and driving is against the law because it is dangerous. For example, about 2 years ago, my neighbor was killed because someone ran a red light while they were texting. As a result, my neighbor was killed and his death caused some family problems. If you don't stop soon enough, you will become addicted to texting and driving. Texting and driving can be harmful to people if they cannot stop this habit. Texting and driving can cause problems for people while they are in a car. In addition, taking out the phone while in a car can be risky. It is a habit of many people because they do not know that they are risking their and other people's lives.